For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us, just check the description. NEO could hit $15,599 in 2022. NEO's cost expectation for the most negative situation will esteem NEO at $9,312 in 2022. NEO's past all-time high truly was on 15 January 2018. Where NEO was evaluated at $198.38. NEO's cost simultaneously last week was $11,214. It has for the most part moved by 3,825% in the essentially past week and generally is presently at $11.64 in spite of prevalent thinking. In fact, in the beyond 24 hours, NEO has siphoned by 1,003%. There in every practical sense is a slight negative feeling in the crypto market. The drawn-out opinion, be that as it may, sort of stays bullish, and NEO could explicitly hit $52,236 in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. The all-outflowing stock of NEO as of compassing this video was $70,530,000. And the market cap of NEO remaining parts at $820,992,484 in a significant manner. Significant disclaimer. For coins with genuinely practically no data of interest and inexistent verifiable information, the model of course will show a positive cost expectation. There generally is not a chance for our AI bot to interpret white paper, tokenomics and group trustworthiness, or so they thought. The coin's value that you in a real sense are going to see beneath can fall definitely contingent upon kind of many elements, so actually kindly generally contribute shrewdly in the wake of actually looking at the group and project's white paper. This very current value expectation is finished by a machine doing the math, and the model is still in the early beta stages, or so they thought. It should rigorously not be taken as a venture guidance. Albeit the kind of the best designers are right now tweaking and refreshing the calculation, no truly human really has checked the cost anticipated beneath, so for the most part kindly utilize your watchfulness and pursue a choice carefully. Our NEO cost forecast model considers a great deal of data of interest and factors to basically give the estimated worth of NEO before very long to come, in spite of mainstream thinking. No calculation, in any case, can be 100% precise, however we endeavor to present to you the most reliable cost expectation by utilizing a high-level AI/ML information crunching model, or so they thought. The information focuses remember NEOs for chain development of coins for August 2022 and past verifiable information. NEO's essentially complete exchanging volume on trades for August 2022 and past verifiable information. NEO's really friendly opinion for August 2022 and past verifiable information in a significant manner. NEO's impending guide and developer movement for August 2022 and past verifiable information. NEO's enormous whale developments and their hodling designs for August 2022 and past verifiable information. NEO's cost developments in view of different exchanging pointers like Bollinger Bands, RSI, moving averages, both S&E, MACD, and something else for August 2022 and past authentic information. NEO price prediction, which is genuinely huge. NEO has certainly had a momentous 2021. To work on the most recent NEO cost expectation, we in every way that really matters, have split the forecast by momentary NEO cost expectation and long-haul NEO cost forecast. As of compassing this video, NEO had an exchanging volume of $56,359,102, which is very critical. NEO has increased by 24.05% in the beyond 30 days. As per our examination temporarily, NEO cost expectation for October 2022 shows the typical cost of NEO at $11,368 and the most elevated conceivable cost for October 2022 would be $12,164. Further, as per our examination in the especially long haul, NEO cost expectation for February 2023 shows the typical cost of NEO at $44,581, and the most elevated conceivable cost for February 2023 would in a real sense be $47,702. NEO cost expectation 12 August 2022. NEO's cost for 12 August 2022 as indicated by our examination ought to run between $10,706 to $12,317, and the by and large normal cost of NEO ought to really be around $11,512, which is genuinely huge. NEO cost expectation 17 August 2022. NEO's cost for 17 August 2022 as per our examination ought to run between $10,466 to $12,042, and the typical cost of NEO ought to in a real sense be around $11,254 amazingly. NEO cost expectation 22 August 2022. NEO's cost for 22 August 2022 as per our examination ought to go between $10,266 to $11,812, and the truly normal cost of NEO ought to be around $11.04 in a significant manner.
NEO cost expectation 1 September 2022. NEO's cost for 1 September 2022 as indicated by our examination ought to run between $9,962 to $11,462, and the essentially normal cost of NEO ought to be around $10,712. NEO cost expectation October 2022. NEO's cost for October 2022 as per our examination ought to run between $10,573 to $12,164, and the typical cost of NEO ought to be around $11,368 amazingly. NEO cost expectation November 2022. NEO's cost for November 2022 as indicated by our examination ought to go between $11,331 to $13,037, and the typical cost of NEO ought to be around $12,184. NEO cost expectation December 2022. NEO's cost for December 2022 as per our examination ought to go between $12.09 to $13,909, and the typical cost of NEO ought to generally be around $12,999, which in a real sense is very critical. NEO's long-term price prediction. NEO's drawn-out price prediction underneath is a gander at NEO's future possibilities.